of Gian course on Machine Learning Application of Automation Engineering, hosted by Department of ECE, VNIT Nagpur. Today marks the culmination of journey filled with learning, collaboration, and growth. As we bring this enriching experience to a close, we take this moment to reflect, appreciate, and celebrate. I request dignitaries to occupy seat on the dais. The dignitaries are Professor A.S. Gandhi, Professor Joydeep Sen Gupta, Professor Jairam Valuri sir. It gives me an immense pleasure to warmly welcome our distinguished guest, Dr. Jairam Valuri, Assistant Professor in Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT Roopur, Professor A.S. Gandhi, In charge Head of the Department, Electronics and Communication, VNIT, Dr. Joydeep Sen Gupta, Assistant Professor in Department of ECE and our dedicated course coordinator. A warm welcome to all the faculty members, students, and participants who have joined us this session. Now I request Professor A.S. Gandhi, in charge head of the department ECE, to kindly come forward and felicitate Dr. Jairam Valuri, Assistant Professor, IIT Roopur, as a token of gratitude and appreciation. Thank you, sir. Now I request our course coordinator, Dr. Joydeep Sen Gupta, to kindly felicitate Professor A.S. Gandhi, in charge head of the department ECE. I now invite Dr. Joydeep Sen Gupta, our course coordinator, to share his thoughts and speech about the journey of this program.
Good evening all. Our Honorable today's HOD and Senior Most Professor of our department, Professor A.S. Gandhi. Today's our guest, Dr. Jairam Valuri from IIT Roopur, and my dear participant. So the course Machine Learning Application to Automation Engineering, we started June 23 and today 28 we are going to finish it. Sir, total 30 candidates registered in this course. Out of them 18 is from outside and 12 is from our VNIT. Mainly participants are from IIT Roopur, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay and local engineering colleges of Nagpur and obviously from VNIT. So, foreign faculty mainly the Bhusan Gopaluni, he is from University of British Columbia. Then Professor Mithun Alagistra from University of Alberta. He took 2 sessions in online. And Professor Jairam Valuri from IIT Roopur. So, I think this course is very much useful for you and it helps you in future. And again, at the beginning, we also told you that we arrange all the things according to our best. And there is feedback form also submitted to you. So you give your feedback so that we can improve it in future again if some lacuna is there. Okay? So thank you all for attending the course. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. We are now privileged to hear from Dr. Jairam Valuri. I request kindly to share your experience, sir.
Yeah, good evening everyone. Actually, so First of all, thanks to Dr. Joydeep Sen and Dr. Surinder and the organizing team for hosting this very important actually workshop, and it's organized very well because bringing a foreign expert is not that easy task actually. So it involves a lot of background work and a lot of preparation actually kind of need to be done. I think I really appreciate kudos to the organizers actually. So for bringing this event because means having this expert like especially Professor Bhusan Gopaluni, who is very well known in the area of data analytics, process control, and data analytics instrumentation across the world actually. So coming to this institute is a good privilege to the institute as well as a good opportunity to as well as to all the students actually, especially like even we have encouraged our students to, though it's very far, like you guys have to attend kind of. So it's one of the unique opportunity is coming to your institute, and you are taking that advantage of it. So that's a good, and so it's really I really appreciate the efforts of both the organizers actually and the team who are working constantly behind everybody, all the students actually kind of. So this is wonderful to showcase our skills, because in the current era, like you need to know irrespective of any engineering domain, it's either mechanical, chemical, electrical, electronics, computer science, it's you need to have some data analytics background actually, so that can be helpful to you. So hope this workshop actually has conveyed that actually by as we demonstrated different cases actually kind of. So hope you carry on forward this part, though we gave glimpses of all the topics, as the time was very 1 week is short time for us actually, as we cannot dwell into it, but the topics which we are thrown into are very glimpses, so you can catch up with that part and continue your interest on that part. And so opportunities are you are a lot of opportunities in this particular area and domain, and you can solve some critical problems by using these techniques that we have spoken. So it's really a good opportunity for us to come over here and spend some time with you all actually. So I'm honored to be here, and I'll really be thankful to the institute first of all, and to the organizers, and to all. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, paying attention. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Professor A.S. Gandhi, in charge head of the department ECE, to address the gathering.
So, good evening all. Dr. Jairam from IIT Roper, Dr. Sen Gupta from VNIT, and all the participants, staff, faculty members. At the outset, I would like to congratulate Dr. Sen Gupta and Dr. K. Surinder for organizing such a relevant kind of Gian course that has happened over the last few days. And as far as our department is concerned, we are a kind of a leading department in VNIT as far as the number of Gian courses are concerned. This was, I think, 10th from our department. Yeah, 10th from our department. So that is the maximum number in VNIT that we have been able to conduct. So that indicates a lot. Actually, it indicates that our faculty is well connected, they are enthusiastic, and they are willing to learn, and they are willing to share their expertise. So there are so many indicators and so many interpretations of this that you can take out. And see, traditionally, if you look at the overall the way we have been analyzing and designing the systems, for example, now when the topic of automation is there, what comes to my mind is the control systems and feedback systems, and then those those block diagrams, and then transfer functions involving Laplace transform and things like that. So these mathematical tools, they have really been common in so many domains of engineering, whether it is you can use Laplace transform to model an electrical circuit or a control system or a mechanical system involving spring and mass and everything. So same equation, but physical phenomena are different. So that has been there for so many years. But with the advent of this data analytics and things like that, I think now the AI tools have become some kind of a unifier in the sense that no matter which background you are from, not just the technical, but any other background. Means now we are coming to a situation that if you have data, we can do AI. Okay, so we have come to that situation, and I mean, just yesterday morning, I was discussing with one of my colleagues in Rotary. He is a dentist by profession, and he is a very avid birder. He goes out in the morning to far off places, takes down his camera, and then he will click the birds and so on. So his requirement is that suppose there are 10 birds of the same species, can we identify the individual birds from their tweets? Okay. So far the technique exists that if there is a bird like bird tweet or bird call, if it is recorded, you can identify the species. But they want that suppose there are 10 crows in VNIT campus, they need to be able to identify the 10 crows differently, A, B, C, D to whatever. So I said, just give me data. So they have to go, they have to do the recordings. But once they do the recording, we have all the techniques and all the computing resources in the world to take care of that. So it is invading, AI is invading into so many fields, not just technical. It started with technical maybe, but now it will be going into so many things. So just as we have to learn everything, we have to learn MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, we have to learn how to use a smartphone and all. I think AI will also now go in that kind of category, and it will be a kind of must know kind of technology because it will be there in every field. I mean, so I mean, whether you like it or not, there is no escape. Actually, I don't like it. I am a very, my interests are very different, and I love to work by hand and on technical matters. So, but I mean, you can't stop the tide. I mean, it is there. So, I mean, that much I accept. So, आप करो जो भी करना है, मैं नहीं करूँगा. So anyway, that maybe one day even I will also have to do. I don't know. So, but today it appears that everyone has to do. So from that point of view, really, this is a very relevant topic and relevant course. And getting all those foreign faculty and arranging their interaction is very, important. These Gian courses are really useful. I remember in 2017, I had gone to one such course as a participant in IIT Kharagpur, and then I happened to meet Gautam Chattopadhyay. He is a big name in RF engineering. He is working with NASA Jet Propulsion Lab, JPL. So I got an opportunity to interact with him, and then it continued. Now we are going to organize the MapCon conference in 2026, and we will be working very closely with Gautam Da and so on. So why I am mentioning this, that you never know what will happen or how that participation in a Gyan course will take you further. I mean, from that point of view, I am trying to give this example. So this is a very successful scheme by the central government, and anyway, a scheme is as good as it is implemented. So at least in VNIT, we are implementing it pretty seriously, and I hope there will be a series of such positive outcomes over the years, and everyone will benefit in some way or the other. So my thanks, congratulations, and all the best to all the participants. And I hope in the future you will reap a lot of benefits out of whatever time and energy you have invested in this Gyan course. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we move to the most weighted certificate distribution ceremony. I request Dr. Joydeep Sengupta, course coordinator, to kindly award certificate to all the participants.
Before the distribution of participant, I know that prescribed format feedback form is given to you and you submitted it. But फिर भी oral feedback is also important for us. So I'm requesting 2 to 3%. Please share your views. At first, anyone from IIT Ropar? Ajay, madam. Mic दो ना सुनो. You share your views.
Good evening, everyone present over here. First of all, it would be a very nice meeting with you all guys, and I got a chance over here to meet each and everyone, not over the VNIT candidates, but also the dignitaries and the foreign dignitaries also. And really, it was such a wonderful experience to be over here. Although I did a machine learning course 3 or 4 months back, but apart from it, I learned so many things and so many topics which was not covered in that, and I really enjoyed it. In addition to it, the weather over here was very wonderful, and that I think that it is a plus point of it. And the team of Dr. Jain Gupta, Joydeep Sen Gupta, and Dr. Surinder sir and his team, and the hospitality is wonderful. And also, I would also like to thank Dr. Jairam Valuru, who insisted me and motivated me to send over here. And it was my first experience to attend the Gian course. Sometimes the words, it's shorter, but overall experience, it was good. It was very, very nice. Thank you, sir.
Madam. Thank you. Anyone from IIT Bombay?
Hello. Respected faculties and my dear friends and colleagues and the staff of VNIT. First of all, I would like to appreciate and thank VNIT and the Gian team from bottom of my heart to organize such a wonderful Gian course. Before coming to this course, I knew machine learning and data analytics in bits and pieces, but when I came here and when I interacted with the renowned faculty and Jairam sir and Augustine sir, they give a true detail of the concepts, and they made the things very simple so that we can easily grasp the concepts, and they also shared the case studies so that we can really do not only not understand the mathematics, but to take that mathematical knowledge into the practical applications. So in that sense, it's a very fruitful workshop that has been organized, and I wish Department of EC to organize more such events. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Anyone from local engineering colleges in Nagpur? From which college you are?
Sir, I am from Paloti College, Jamtha. So firstly, I want to thank Mr. Jairam sir for his good and very interactive session. He was one of the staff with whom I can interact and have a dialogue rather than monologue. So rather than hearing, I was also asking him some questions. Let it be silly, but I was asking. So I found that as a very good thing which happens amongst students. And I would also thank Mr. Joydeep sir and Surinder sir. I think he's not present here, but I'll thank him. And this course was very informative. And I was very new to ML course, and this was my first time attending an ML session. So at first I found that ये तो बहुत बढ़िया है यार. Then after 3 or 4 days I was like सर के ऊपर से जा रहा है यार. But I think with practice we can achieve whatever we want to. But I think I like to study under Jairam sir in long term, because I found ML very, very interesting. It may be hard, but I found it interesting. And lastly, I want to thank myself, because rather than staying in home, I came here. So I think that was very good thing, and sir organized this Gyan session, and I'm very thankful to everyone who organized this session. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone? Achha. Anyone is interested to share his or her views? Please.
Good evening, everyone, and I'm very happy to see my old friends and new friends. And I'm a student in VNIT only. I'm very happy to be present here amongst my teachers, faculty members, and the this particular workshop I have attended to enter into machine learning. This is something new even for me, like for many of you. Um, some of the things which are very impressive in this workshop is that the sessions have been very interactive. We were allowed to ask in between any time, and the speakers have been very kind to answer all our queries. In fact, I learned more from the queries of others. So that's one of the best things. Generally, this thing is not feasible in classroom teaching. So that is a very wonderful thing. And many concepts like, some of these names we have read in research papers like, support vector machines, principal component analysis. So these are something like, something like stars in the sky. So we don't know the gist or grasp of it. But after attending the sessions, we got to know the outline and gist and essence of these. Now we are in a position where we can delve deep into these without lacking the essence. So this is something like we have upgraded our understanding of these techniques to a greater extent. So this is one thing I got really benefited in. And another thing is, so as when it comes to Dr. Jairam's work, so I was very much impressed by how he has done multidisciplinary research in terms of be it earth sciences or mining or agriculture related. So it showed us that how by learning data analytics we can serve in multiple fields. So that's a very interesting thing. And so the way he presented the Bayesian networks, that kind of created interest. In fact, I had taught random signals and stochastic processes to students. So this has further enhanced my interest to get deeper into the subject. So we are very thankful for VNIT and all the organizing team for bringing experts in this field, Professor Bhusan and Dr. Jairam. And I'm also benefited to interact with all of you who are similarly interested in research. So this is a very wonderful experience. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So, now I am going to distribute the certificate. I will request our Honorable HOD sir and our guest to please hand over the certificate to the participant whose name I am calling. First, Neha Bhusari from VNIT, is she present? Then Sujit Ramesh. Devharakanda Mansa. Lata Sushil Dufare. Shruti Champaman. Dhanasri. Jay. Aditi More. हाँ इसका आप ही दे दीजिए. Punit Kumar is absent. Om Gawande. Navina Kotapulli. Vaibhav Ghorpade from IIT Ropar. Vipin Mohan N from IIT Ropar. Then Taranjit Kaur. Rudra Atul Dahikar. Arnav Chakole. Varsa Padasar. Vikram Uday. V. Saipriya. Omkar Ravindra Kulkarni. Ayush Nimje. Vivanshu Mesram. Bharat Kodukopalia. Shubham Kumbhare. Kuldeep. Praveen Jayaprakash. BN Sandeep. Gauri Pandey. Nikita Gupta. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you all the participants for your feedback. So now we move to formally conclude the session. I invite our course coordinator, Dr. Joydeep Sen Gupta, sir, to deliver a vote of thanks.
Actually, Dr. Surendra is not present, so I am doing his job. Okay, our Honorable HOD, sir, Dr. Jairam Velledu, and dear participant. At first, I am thankful to our Honorable Director to allow me to coordinate this course. Then our Dean, especially Dean RNC, Dean Foreign Affairs, International Affairs, our HOD Dr. Kothari, our senior most faculty Dr. S. Gandhi sir. Actually, whenever I speak little bit two line to Gandhi sir. Gandhi sir is the senior most person of our department and he has very helping attitude. He helped me a lot when I joined from here. Thank you sir. So, I thankful to Jairam because he sent 4 to 5 students of him from IIT Ropar. So, I am very much thankful to you and very much thankful to the candidate and I am happy to know that this course is really helpful to you and whatever arrangement I have done that you satisfy on that. Because when a person want to coordinate something, he want to do it so that it should done without any error. But we all are human beings. So it may happen 1-2% एरर मीन्स एरर किसको होता है? जो काम करते उसको एरर होता है ना, हम बैठे रहेंगे तो एरर ही नहीं होगा। तो फिर भी मिस्टेक इसको ही होता है जो काम करता है। तो ठीक है, फिर यू आर हैप्पी विथ आवर अरेंजमेंट दैट गिव मी प्लेजर एंड इंक्रीज माई कॉन्फिडेंस टू ऑर्गेनाइज सच टाइप ऑफ मोर कोर्स। सो आई स्पेशल थैंक टू सुधीर, Gauri Pandey, Aditi More, I forgot your name, and Praveen. Special thanks to them because without their help it is not possible to organize such type of course. So thank you all.
As we conclude the valedictory session, I request everyone to please stand for national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जाए तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय 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 जय
भारत माता की। Thank you all. I request everybody to follow up with high tea.